Welcome to Palm Creek Resorts and Residences. Here, you can live in total paradise in the beautiful Casa Grande. Come discover some of the incredible homes we have for sale. When you open your door, you're going to be greeted with an open concept layout with 9-foot flat ceilings, solid surface countertops, large 54-inch cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. We have 7 unique floor plans, which all include 2 bedroom and 2 bathrooms. You will quickly feel right at home.
We started to look at some houses. We walked into this place, and both of us, I think, at the same time said, this is it. Welcome, guys. Come on in.
Hi, come. What was really nice about this was that we got the furniture when we bought our home. We have an ensuite bathroom, large, gorgeous shower. This island is amazing. Pantry is huge. The glass-topped cabinets I absolutely adore. And what's nice about the open concept of the kitchen, we can entertain and have people in the living room and also be doing some cooking.
Biggest attraction to this place is the community.
It's wonderful. I mean, you just walk down the path and people are having cocktails and they'll just invite you over. Everyone is open to meeting everyone. This has become our family.
Residences choose Palm Creek for resort-style living, our spacious floor plans, and the great amenities we offer.
Well, after being here 15 years, I can say not one single day have I been bored. I got involved in stained glass, pottery, I did silversmithing, I did wood shop. We enjoy playing cards.
I did more physical things, water volleyball, I went to the pools and line dancing.
We have made so many friends here over the 15 years.
It's just a pleasure to be here.
Palm Creek is located in the vibrant city of Casa Grande, Arizona, directly 1 hour from Phoenix and Tucson. You can discover some delicious restaurants, great shops, and all the conveniences you need in a close location. We are a resort you'd be proud to live in, so reach out today to find out why so many people call Palm Creek home.